Come on, Sanchez. Oh, I thought that was a fumble. So they need to stop one more time. And y'all are so mean. Like a beach whale. All right, girls, y'all didn't put enough flour in your cookies, so they're not rising. Y'all didn't use enough flour. Not my fault.
You did
Oh, how great is that? It's a gift.
Man can't even sleep peacefully without movie cameras and shit all over it. Is it coming out clear enough to see him? Now what about sound?
That's what we're most concerned about.
Get up real close where you can get his mouth vibrating. That's heavy. When I was in college, we shaved, but one of the guys, got drunk and passed out, and we shaved one of his eyebrows off. He wanted to, he was from Africa. He wanted to heal the next day. When he woke up and went in the bathroom and saw that he had no eyebrow at all, he wanted to kill everybody. Nothing. He couldn't do anything. He laughed at him. I'm going to find out who cut my eyebrow. I'm going to get whoever did it. Next semester come around, I'm going to still find out who was. He never found out. We didn't tell him.